I like whenever you like come into the office and like that like big Bobby sticker's there and there's like the lights coming down on it, and like whenever it's night and you like drive past it and you can like see it.
My favorite is the gym and the office because it looks way more newer.
I thought it looked really cool. I thought the logos on the windows were cool.
I'm proud to be a Bobcat because I think that this is a really good school. I have a lot of good friends here, and I like my principal, Mr. Robinson.
You have a lot of friends and you're able to represent a really good school.
I'm proud to be a Bobcat because I've learned a lot of things here, and there's a lot of great students and teachers and staffs. I love my teachers, and it's really fun to be here.